In the heart of the picturesque town, a hidden attic holds a secret waiting to be unearthed. Curiosity sparks as Elara's fingers trace the dust-covered pages of the forgotten tome. Mystical whispers fill the bakery as the spells within the recipes come to life, setting a magical chain of events in motion. Laughter and gasps echo through the streets as townsfolk delight in the wonders brought forth by Elara's enchanted bakes. Joy turns to panic as the once delightful magic spins into a whirlwind of mayhem, testing the resilience of the townspeople. Hands join in solidarity, a reminder that in unity lies the strength to confront the unexpected trials brought forth by the enchanted recipes. With resolve in her heart, Elara sets out on a race against time to undo the whimsical havoc wreaked by the unchecked magic. A gleam of realization dawns in Elara's eyes as she uncovers the final challenge set by the mysterious creator of the enchanted recipes. Sacrifice and bravery intertwine as Elara makes a choice that proves the transformative power of selflessness in the face of overwhelming magic. A newfound sense of unity and gratitude permeates the once chaotic streets, a silent acknowledgement of the lessons learned through the magical turmoil. Amidst the scent of freshly baked goods, Elara stands tall, a beacon of guidance and caution in the art of blending sweetness with the weight of responsibility. As dusk descends, the echoes of adventure and growth linger in the air, reminding all that magic, when tempered with wisdom, can illuminate the path to true understanding and harmony.